येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्च ज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। In this class, we shall discuss about the types of swaras, vowels. Swara vibhagaha, swaranam vibhagaha, iti swara vibhagaha. Swaraha, we know that there are three types of letters in our conventional study. Swaraha vyanjanani ayogavahau iti. Swaraha स्वयं राजन्ते इति स्वराः। ये वर्णाः स्वतन्त्रतया शोभन्ते उच्चार्यन्ते परिश्रमं न अपेक्षन्ते ते स्वराः इति कथ्यन्ते। Swaras are those letters which are pronounced independently without the help of other letters. So, how many swaras are there in Sanskrit? Samskrite kati swaraha santi. When we study in our conventional grammar, it is 13. A,
Yeah,
I,
13.
I, U, Ru, Lu, A, I,
A,
O,
O, O,
13.
O.
13 त्रयोदश स्वराः सन्ति संस्कृते। माहेश्वरसूत्राणि कति स्वराणि? मात्रे माहेश्वर
I, U, Ru, Lu.
Nine.
I, U,
Nine.
Ru, Lu. Yeah.
कति? How
No.
many?
Nava.
नव नवस्वराः
Nava.
सन्ति माहेश्वरसूत्रेषु। ते के? आयि ऊरु लु ए ओ ऐ औ. The first four sutras of Maheshwara Sutrani, they cover all the swaraha, all the vowels. A, I, U, Ru, Lu, E, O, I, Au. These are represented by the pratyahara
Ach.
ach, from A up to chakara. Ach represents all the swaras. These are the swaras in Maheshwara Sutrani. We are studying the swara vibhaga with respect to Maheshwara Sutrani. The swaras in the Maheshwara Sutrani. These are the 9 swaras in Maheshwara Sutrani. The first type is the swaras are classified into rasvaha, dirghaha, plutaha based on the time required for their pronunciation. The time required for the pronunciation of a swara or rasva swara or rasvaha is called as ekamatra, one matra time. And the time required for dirgha swara is 2 matra, and the time required for pluta swara is 3 matra. And we shall study about what are rasva, dirgha, pluta, and I am going to discuss other types also. We are studying what exactly they are, their definition, everything in tomorrow class. In this class, we are just understanding the types, how they are, how the vowels are classified. Rasvaha, dirghaha, plutaha. These are the 3 types of swaras. For example, akara, the first letter in Maheshwara Sutrani, a. It is classified into rasvaha akara, dirghaha akaraha, plutaha akaraha, and they are written as like this. The first one is rasvaha, dirghaha, and plutaha. The pluta is written like this. The rasva part and followed by the number 3. 3 represents trimatra, plutaha. This is how rasva, dirgha, and pluta are represented. Similarly, E has 3 types: rasvaha, dirghaha, plutaha. Evam ukaraha api, रुकारस्य अपि, लुकारस्य तु द्वौ विधौ. Lukara has only 2 types of swaras. The first one is rasvaha, the second one is plutaha. There is no dirgha type of lukara. The only rasva type and pluta type is there. Pluta type is there for all 9 swaras. It is present. The pluta type is there for all 9 swaras. Lukara doesn't has dirgha. We have to remember this. Then A. A has 2 types: dirghaha, plutaha. A, I, au, o, au. A, o, I, au. These 4, they don't have rasva part. A, O, I, O. These 4 can be called as H, H, Avong, I, Ouch, H letters. H letters, they don't have a rasva part in Sanskrita. In local language and in other languages, we can find rasva part of A and O. O, like that. But in Sanskrita, in Sanskrit, it is not present. There are no words with such pronunciation, so such that letter, the rasva letter, is not taken into consideration. That's it. It doesn't mean we can't pronounce them in one matra. Them as rasva we can pronounce, but that letters are not there in Sanskrita. These are the 3 types of swaras: rasvaha, dirghaha, plutaha. Is this clear? Okay. If you don't have any doubts, we can go further. The next type is each of this type, rasva, dirgha, pluta. Again, they are classified into 3 types. They are udattaha, anudattaha, swaritaha. It means akara. Rasva akara is classified into rasva udattaha, rasva anudattaha, rasva swaritaha. Similarly, dirgha akaraha is classified into dirgha udattaha, dirgha anudattaha, dirgha swaritaha. Similarly, pluta akaraha, pluta udattaha, pluta anudattaha, pluta swaritaha akaraha. Like this, again, 3 types of swaras classification is done. We shall learn what is a udatta, what is anudatta, what is swarita in the tomorrow class. This is how they are represented. You see, the first purple colored, they are udatta. Udatta means the normal normally what we write. That is how the udatta letters are written. The second is anudatta. Anudatta represented by the horizontal line below the letters. Like this. The horizontal line below the letter represents anudatta. And the swarita is represented by the vertical line above the letter, like this. So whenever you find the vertical line, it is swarita. Horizontal line below the letter, it is anudatta. If you don't find any such markings, then it is udatta. Similarly, for ikara I have written here e the first three are udatta, the second three are anudattaha, the third are swaritaha. Similarly, every rasva, every dirgha, every pluta can be classified into udatta, anudatta, swaritaha. So akara has nine types of pronunciation. Similarly, ikara, ukara, rukara also nine types, 3 into 3. And from lu to au, they have only 6 types because they don't have one type among rasva, dirgha, pruta. Lukara doesn't have dirgha and h letters they don't have rasva, so it is 2 into 3. Here 2 and from udatta, anudatta, swarita it is 3. So 2 into 3. It is 6 types of pronunciation for these lu, a, o, I, au. For art, a, e, u, ru, it is 9 types of pronunciation. This is about the classification, second level classification of swaras into udattaha, anudattaha, swaritaha. And the next classification is each of these rasvaha udattaha is again classified into 2 types. Rasvaha anudattaha is classified into 2 types. Each of these is classified into anunasikaha, ananunasikaha, or it can be called as niranunasika also. Ananunasika can be called as niranunasika also. Anunasikaha, ananunasikaha. These are ananunasika. Whatever normally we pronounce, no, they are all ananunasika. These are all ananunasika till now we studied. There are 9 types. No, these 9 are ananunasika. What I have written. The other 9 types are anunasikaha. They are represented by the Chandrabindu mark above the letter like this. The first 3 here they are udatta. The second 3 are anudatta. The last 3 are swaritaha. Can you tell the type of this letter? I will tell for this one. This is rasva. This is plutaha, udattaha, ananunasikaha. Like that, can you tell for this letter? This one is rasvaha, the first from this rasvaha, and whether it is udatta, anudatta, swarita, it is udattaha because it doesn't have any markings, and it has chandrabindu, so it is anunasikaha. So this is rasvaha, udattaha, anunasikaha. Can somebody tell what is the type, this one classification of this letter?
दीर्घ है,
दीर्घः,
अनुनासिक है,
अनुनासिकः,
and उदात्त, अनुदात्त, and स्वरितः.
it cannot be both, whether it should be udattah or anudattah.
This is अनुदात्तः.
This one anudatta. The
अनुदात्तः.
horizontal line below is
Icon is there.
anudatta.
Yeah.
If you don't find any such lines, it is udatta. If you find above, it is swaritaha.
स्वरितः.
This one,
Which one, sir?
Which one, Mother?
this one, the large letter, big letter. This one.
Bold one.
आकार है.
Rasvaha.
आकार है. That is
Rasvaha.
ह्रस्वाकार है. अनुदात्त है. अनुस्वर है. Sorry, अनुनासिक है.
Anunasikaha.
Anunasik.
रस्वः
अनुदात्तः
रस्वः अनुदात्तः अनुनासिकः. This one.
ह्रस्वः उदात्तः अनुनासिकः.
Actually, it is swaritaha. I have written horizontal mark above here, but that horizontal line coincides with the dot, that bindu, in that symbol. You can make out the difference from here. You see here in this letter that bindu is clearly visible. Here it is not visible because that swarita marking is there. So this is swaritaha, this is udataha, because there is no marking here. Here the vertical marking is there. We have to observe that. If a clear bindu is visible, then it is only anunasikaha. If it is not clearly visible, if it is attached to the chandra portion, then it is swaritaha, because that is vertical line which is touching the chandra. So this one, rasvaha swaritaha anunasikaha. Okay. Okay, similarly all the letters. So how many different pronunciations of akara is possible?
18, I suppose.
18. 3 into 3 into 2. 3 types rasva dirgha pluta. Again each of them are classified into 3 types: udatta, anudatta, swaritaha. Again each of them, rasva udattaha, rasva anudattaha, rasva swaritaha, each of them they are classified into 2 types: anunasikaha, niranunasikaha. So it is 3 into 3 into 2, 18 types. So ikarasya kati prakaraha? अष्टादश एव. उकारस्य अष्टादश. ऋकारस्य
18
18. लुकारस्य
12
No, there it is only, no, it is only 1, 2,
it
3,
is
4, 5,
12.
6,
12
7, 12. Yeah.
because it is 2 into 3 into 2. 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12. Similarly all H letters they have 12 types of pronunciation. अकारस्य अष्टादश, इकारस्य उकारस्य ऋकारस्यापि 18, लुकारस्य 12, a o I o all these have 12 types of pronunciation. So kula prakaraha, total types 132 different types of pronunciation of vowels is possible. We have only 9 vowels, but the types of pronunciation that is possible is 132. Is it clear?
Amoda.
Okay. This is about today's class. If you don't have any doubts, we can close. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि, नमो गुरवे. न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि, गुरोः मतिरस्तु गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो.